Hey, this is Randy Pringle with B.A.S.S Bass Tournaments, and people ask me what kind of boats can I fish out of. Well, there's some criteria. It's got to be Coast Guard certified, okay? Then it has to have a bow and a stern light. Then it has to have a live well to keep the fish alive. You can't put them on a net, can't put them on a stringer. You know, this is not 1930s, okay? And then you also have to have a kill switch where you pull it, put the lanyard on your waist, and then you're ready to go. So if you do get pitched out of the boat, pulls it, shuts it off. Those are your rules. If your boat has that, it is available to fish a tournament.